I have a Samsung Galaxy S21 here. I'm going to show you how to do a hard factory reset. Hard as using the actual keys on here. Don't forget, when you perform a factory reset, after you're done with it, it's going to be as if you bought the phone brand new and took it out of the box. So first thing we got to do is go ahead and turn off our phone. So bring up your power off menu. You can do the hold down, volume down, and power button. Press and hold both buttons at the same time. Volume down, power, press and hold. And oops, let me do it again. Volume down, power button, press and hold. And just wait for the power off menu to appear right there. Then tap on power off and then power off again. Now this is asking me for my password, okay, to shut down. If you guys forgot your password, look in the link below and I'll show you how to bypass this password to proceed with the factory reset. Anyway, I'm going to put in my password here to shut down the phone. All right, I just felt it vibrate. Now my phone is completely off. Now next thing we want to do is this. What we want to do is press and hold two buttons. It's going to be the power button and the volume up. Okay, we're going to press and hold both buttons at the same time. Do not let go until we see the Samsung logo appear. So let's do it together. Volume up, power button. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Volume up, power. Still holding. Samsung logo. Go ahead and let go, and this should boot us up into the Android recovery menu here. So give it 1 second here, and voila, we are in business. And then what we want to do from here is we want to go down to where it says white data / factory reset. You can use the volume rockers to move up and down. You can move up or down, but we're going to go down to where it says white data / factory reset. And then from here, if you want to proceed to select it, you press the power button. Now, as soon as I tap on this, we get another message here. This is basically saying once you do the factory reset, this cannot be undone. Okay, so if you want to proceed, you go down to factory reset right there and go ahead and select power and give it like a few minutes and it's going to perform a factory reset. Once it's done, it's going to be as if you bought the phone brand new and took it out of the box. Okay, but for me, I'm not going to factory reset this. So I'm just going to go back to reboot system now. So any questions, issues? Comment below.